In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to market my car detailing business. The best place to start is Facebook, because for a local service business, it can become your number one marketing tool. First, create a proper business page instead of using a personal account. Add your business name, your contact number, your service area, and a clear list of your services. Make sure your profile photo and cover photo look clean and professional, because this page works like your online shop. When people find you, they should instantly understand what you do and how to contact you. Once your page is set up, start posting before and after photos every day. This is one of the strongest ways to market a car detailing business because people love seeing visible results. Share dirty to clean transformations, interior deep clean results, foam wash videos, and time-lapse cleaning clips. Natural lighting and close-up shots can make your work stand out even more and help create that strong visual impact that gets attention. Next, join local Facebook groups because that is where many of your potential customers are already spending time. Look for local buy and sell groups, car owner groups, and neighborhood community groups in your area. When you post, keep it simple and clear. Mention that you offer affordable car detailing, include a starting price, add strong photos, and include your contact information so people know exactly how to reach you. Another smart move is to offer first-time promo deals. Discounts help people feel more comfortable trying a new service. You can offer something like a percentage off the first booking, free tire cleaning for the first few customers, or a bundle deal that combines a wash with an interior discount. The main goal here is to get your first reviews as quickly as possible. You should also use TikTok for extra reach. Short videos work especially well for detailing because the content is visual and satisfying. Post before and after clips, foam wash videos, dirty car transformations, and day in the life detailing content. If possible, aim to post 1 to 3 videos a day to stay visible. After every job, ask for reviews and referrals. A simple request for a Facebook review can go a long way, and offering a small referral discount can help bring in more customers through word of mouth. Because this is a mobile business, simple offline advertising also helps. Print flyers or a tarpaulin that show your services, prices, and contact number, then place them in parking areas, car washes, and gas stations. As you grow, focus on building trust through consistency. Always show real work, be on time, reply quickly, and maintain a clean appearance. Create package offers so customers can choose between basic and premium options. And finally, retarget past customers after 2 to 4 weeks with a follow-up message and a returning customer discount. That helps turn one-time clients into repeat customers.